How to change password? I guess pretty easy to change your password on PrimeXBT. If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. To change password on PrimeXBT, first of all open PrimeXBT on your mobile device. Once you open the app, log in into your account with your registered email and password. As soon as you get logged in, now just look at the top left corner of your screen where you can see this profile icon. Click on it. After you click on it, scroll down. Now head over to the settings section. In this section, you'll be able to see options for account, security, notification, and many other options. Just simply tap on security. After you click on security, now click on the first option, change password. You are looking to change up your password, right? Tap on it. After you click on it, you need to write down your current password. After you write it down, tap on new password and again confirm it. But make sure no one can guess it easily, or don't try to use numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Once you fill up all these details, now just simply look at the bottom of your screen where you can see this option for change. Tap on change. As soon as you click on change, your password will be instantly changed on your PrimeXBT. That's it guys, that's how you're going to change your account or password. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.